Welcome to the Art, Craft and Laugh, friends. Today I am going to share with you very important information, the rules and the regulation and how to do it. So for the complete details and accurate details I am sharing with you today after my lots of research from different departments, different people, different like you can say the responsible persons. So today I got to know the correct and exactly the information which I was looking in Qatar. The information is today about the drones. Can we fly the drones in Qatar? Is that allowed? If it is allowed, what we how to do and how we get and what are the process? So stay tuned. I will start this video. First of all, if you want to use the drone in Qatar, you should have the Qatar ID permit number, the Qatari ID resident permit. Either you have to a Qatari citizen. If you are the traveler coming from outside to Qatar and you're bringing your drone, you cannot use because you don't have the permit. It's required a permit, and it's different categories. They provide the license for the companies, for the semi governments, and for the individuals. So we will know a person, individual person, how many drones can carry in Qatar as well. So I will start this video. First of all, you have to go to the Google, and Google you have to type like this: Qatar Civil Aviation Authority, which is responsible for this drone permit. Here as I type, you can see the Qatar. So say unnamed aircraft flag contact us available job regulation in Arabic. So you have to click here. After clicking here, we have to go to here. Once we come here, we have to go to laws and regulations. We will click here. After clicking here, we will see general option, air transport affairs, law, aviation security law, airport user regulation, civil aviation regulation, air safety regulation, air transport regulation, safety directives. Okay. After coming this down, so let's go back domestically. We see the unnamed aircraft forms, so we have to click here. After clicking this, you see UA drone application forms. So the category as per the 14 July update, form UA registration 01, registration information for UA drone for individuals, as I mentioned already, registration UA for the companies, cancellation for the semi-government application form, change of ownership. For example, if you are selling your drone to somebody and you living the Qatar, so this is also the change of ownerships, and like if you're transferring from one job to another job, and renewal for your drone registration. These are the current option. So we need to get first a drone license, so we will click here as individual. The application form is here, just write what you have to do. You have to click here, download. The form will open. So Guys, this is the most awaited form finally in front of you, directly from the official website. I will just zoom it. This is a two-page form suggestion for you drawn for individuals, those who wants to buy same like me, the individual person. So you have to write your first name, surname, star mark which is a mandatory, so nationality, date of birth, Qatari ID scan copy, Qatari ID number. You have to attach your Qatari ID. Okay, sponsorship name, like which company you are working, what is your profession, reason of use. So for if you are using as a YouTuber, you can say YouTuber for personal recreation. You can mention mobile number, email address, proof of training. So you need to get the training also for this. UAS pilot permit number. I'm not sure what is this, but I will get to know. Security background certificate, attachment, quantity. This is the topmost quantity. So the individual person how much can hold drones in Qatar, that will also I will let you know at the end of this form. Manufacturer, who is the manufacturer, the what is the model number for the drone, and type of drone, and the serial number of the drone. This is the first page. Now here is the second page. Year of manufacturing, maximum takeoff weight, power source, control data link, equipped with camera, yes or no. Of course you will use the camera drone, so you have to take yes. Camera specification, what are the camera specification, it is a 4K or whatever, you have to write exactly. The range or optical zoom. Equipped with video, yes, of course you will make it for the video specification, data link, yes. Proof of purchase ownership, so the bill, attached bill, which is you have to buy from anywhere. If it's for you, I will suggest that you have to ask, or if you go by yourself, that's much better. You can tell your exactly name as per your Qatar ID and the passport, so they will write correct name. Launch type, I'm not sure what are the exactly. Maximum flight timing, so capacity like 30 minutes, like for example Mavic Mini to its capacity 27 to 30 minutes. Maximum range, like it could go to 5 kilometers away from you or 2 kilometers. GPS install, if it is GPS installed already, you have to tick yes. Additional comment, if you want to write something, you have to write if necessary. And then here there are some guidelines which is mandatory. The terms and condition, minimum age allowed to operate, it is 18 years old and above. For non-Qatari sponsor, no objection to own a UA drone must be provided. Maximum 5 UA drones per individual allowed. So this was the question I picked by my own and discussing with you right now, that was asked how many drones can be individual hold. Yes, so individual can hold the 5 drones at a time. Must be used for recreation, as I was told you the reason of use. Only commercial use is not allowed, like for the business person is individual cannot do. It's forbidden for modify, attach anything to the UA drones. Like you cannot attach apart from the accessories you got in the box. The additional accessories you cannot attach to the drones. And it's if you attach also some fancy thing or something, it might increase the weight of your drone, just for additional information. And like the capacity, the maximum time with the flight timing, for example you have the 30 minutes Mavic Mini Air 2, so if you add, the timing will be the less due to the additional weight. Insurance policy must be provided before operating UA drone. So you have to get the insurance for this. Also, hope this information you received today and it's accurate as per the government website, Qatar Civil Aviation Authority, provided by and the Qatar law. Hope friends you like this video, so please do the subscribe and share with those who wants to buy the drone in Qatar. And if you like, please subscribe the channel, and we will meet you with the next video, informatives or some useful tips or craft or laughing videos, as our channel is Art, Craft and Laugh. Hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. We will see you in next video.